Choose an appropriate farm equipment classified under harvesting operations.
Great job! Rice harvester is the accurate answer.
Choose the correct option. Excellent. Field cultivator is a brilliant choice. Which of the following nutrients is used by plants for lots of leaf growth and good green color?
Right choice. Nitrogen is the best answer.
What is the farm equipment in the picture that is used to draw irrigation water from a source?
You chose water pump. And it is correct.
These are machines used in crop production which need a highly skilled operator to use.
Right again? Farm equipment is a valid answer.
This farm equipment in the picture is used to remove the husk and bran layers of rice.
Correct response. Rice miller is the most accurate answer.
A farm equipment used to pull a plow and a harrow in preparing a large area of land.
Perfect. Hand tractor is the correct choice.
This is used in agriculture to control weeds, insect infestation, and diseases.
Great thinking. Pesticides is the right choice.
This farm equipment is used for sowing germinated paddy seeds in a rice field.
Good thinking. Rice seeder is the right answer.
This is a farm implement used to loosen the topsoil for planting crop.
Well done. Rotavator is the right choice.
This farm equipment is used to remove the outer coat of rice grains.
You're right. Rice miller is the correct answer.
It is a material which is used for planting or regeneration purpose.
On track. Seeds is the correct answer.
Which farm equipment or tool is used for digging?
Good job. Your answer shovel works well here.
What is the equivalent of 1 kilometer to meter?
Excellent choice. 1,000 meter is the right answer.
A farm equipment used for harvesting rice.
Smart pick, rice harvester is the correct choice.
What do you call this farm equipment?
Smart move. Corn dehusker is an accurate answer.
What does the color orange represent?
Well reasoned. Warning is the correct choice.
What is the equivalent of 1 meter? You got it? Your choice 100 centimeter is right.
How many square feet is an acre?
Solid response. 43,560 feet is a valid choice. What is used to harvest grain?
Valid point. Combine is true.
How you will get all these quiz questions in PDF books format?
Exactly. Contact Narayan Chengda makes sense and it is right choice.